So today we at Malibu State Creek Park.
Malibu Creek State Park.
Today we at Malibu Creek State Park camping with Mocha. It's his first time camping. Her first time camping in a while.
Yeah, first time camping in California.
Yeah.
We just got here. We're here a little bit before our friends. So just taking a moment to enjoy the peace and quiet in nature before we set up everything. And yeah, it's been a hectic week, so it's good to
It's gonna be good to
force
unplug.
us to unplug. Yeah.
This is a nice place. They have like bathrooms and water and like
good
coin
entry
showers.
back
I want to camp more often, so it's definitely a good entry point back into like camping.
Yeah.
Like on a regular.
No dogs are allowed on the trails, so we're not hiking, but it's a little too warm to hike, and we're kind of just enjoying the stillness of chilling here.
Chilling.
Yeah.
Muffer, you got any words to say for the camera?
Ruff, woof.
Woof, woof.
Alright, let's do this. Set up this tent, okay? Here. Alright. Nice. Alright, let's start with the silver ones.
I got it there. All right, keep pushing. Okay. Yeah, tarp is smart. Next time we get a tarp to put under.
Okay, so there's the stove attachment that we can put wherever. It's all completely modular.
Yeah.
So there's a stove attachment and then there's this soft box, like what can serve as like a basin for a sink. Yeah.
There's going to be one here. One here and one there.
This is our first time trying it. Yeah, I like the orange one he got. Yeah, Olay. Olay mocktails. Yeah, there's some more too.
Yeah, you want me to
Yeah, I mean, I already pre-cut these, so I was just gonna throw them. Oh, and I have
with
to
these
do
though,
this.
right?
I cut these too.
Okay.
Yeah, these are all cut.
Oh, that was sweet.
Ooh, that's a lot of. Too much?
So it's like because of the wind, the flame may not get, the cans may not get as hot. I'll just keep this one.
Green onion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kind of want to get it like, you know, like the Sonora Town vibe where it's like kind of blackened.
Like that.
Yeah. Oh, how does everyone like their meat? They care?
Not well done.
Not well done. Okay.
Ray, come try.
Good.
Japanese salt. Just so we can soak up some rice.
Yo, these bees are going fuck wild. How are their 10? They're going wild. I know, me too. I'm gonna take care of it.
It's like a mixture of like cotton candy and tofu.
Nice.
It's good? Right? Isn't it so much better than like store-bought? Hello. Make sure it's like fully skewered so it doesn't like flop in. Soft, right? Yummy? Yeah. It's so good. Marshmallows? It's not like...
I don't know which one.
I just wanted to finish one of the watermelons, but there's like only 2 watermelons in there, just so we could like have more flexibility with it. Never mind. Wow. Thank you.
You put that on that side and then let's roll ours.
Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I forgot we spaced. It's like a yoga mat.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nothing like coffee in nature.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah.
coffee here if you guys want some. There's some cold brew
cold,
here.
cold brew. Oh yeah, that's what I needed.
I'm talking about like the pros of this table. What I would like when you make me my table. Yeah. 'Cause
You just get a regular table.
no.
You gotta just-
Camping in your 30s.
That actually feels so good though.
Doesn't it?
Yeah.
I wish it was part of a routine.
I love this so much.
I don't think I got on that side. The dude had other plans. This